Hello everyone. How does an LLM answer a question? Once you watch this video, you will never forget how a large language model actually responds to a question. Imagine you type the capital of Germany is. At first glance, it seems simple, but inside the model, a fascinating journey unfolds. Your sentence is first broken into tokens, then converted into vectors, processed through transformation layers, and transformed into logits, converted into probabilities via softmax, and finally the most likely token is chosen, giving us the answer Berlin. By the end of this video, you will see every step as if peeking directly into the AI's brain. Step is tokenization. Every sentence a model sees is broken down into manageable pieces called tokens. For example, the capital of Germany is. Each token becomes a unique ID. So the becomes 421 capital 9831. Why? Because models think in numbers, not words. This is the first key step that makes language understandable to AI. Step 2. Tokens become vectors. Next, each token is transformed into a vector, a high-dimensional representation of its meaning. Example, what you see here, Germany has become 0.24, minus 0.61, etc., etc. Typically 4096 numbers per token. This is the dimension of the vector. This allows the model to capture meaning, context, relationships between words. Now, the model doesn't just see letters, it understands language in a mathematical way. Step 3. Transformer processing. These vectors travel through transformer layers. Each layer has self-attention, feed-forward network, residual add, and layer normalization. Purpose is to understand relationship across words in the sentence. This is how the model knows which words are important to predict the next word accurately. Step 4. Final hidden vector. After all layers, each token has a final representation. To predict the next word, the model focuses on the last token vector, is final hidden vector. This vector embodies the question, what word should come next? Unembedding logits. The hidden vector is multiplied with the unembedding matrix. Example matrix size is 4096 by 100,000. Here the 4096 is the vector size or the dimensions, and 100,000 is the vocabulary size of the particular LLM. The result, logits are raw scores for every word in the vocabulary. Berlin 9.2, Munich 2.4, Hamburg 1.8, etc., etc. These numbers are not probabilities yet, they are just the model's preference scores. Step 6. Softmax probabilities. Softmax transforms logits into probabilities. Berlin 0.92, Munich 0.05, Hamburg 0.02. Now the model clearly knows Berlin is the most likely next word. Step 7. Token selection. The model picks the token with the highest probability. Token ID 48291, which is Berlin. Finally, your sentence is complete. The capital of Germany is Berlin. Then the process repeats for the next token, building one word at a time. What are the key takeaways? Large language models don't search for answers. Instead, they understand context, predict the next token, repeat until the answer is complete. Core concepts we explored today: tokenization, embedding, attention, transformer layers, logits, softmax, and token generation. If you want a deep dive into each concept, check out our AI for Beginners course. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends to unlock the magic of AI. Thank you. Until next time, take care.